It's been an amazing trend, and today's the day to savor because we're going to see some changes soon.
The last of the really perfect days. I mean, we've had about 4 of them in a row. Going back to Saturday when we had completely cloud-free skies. Today, a couple more clouds than we've had recently, but look at that beautiful sunrise as a result of some of those clouds scattering some of that light around, making for a bright, fiery red start to the day. But now the skies are a pretty shade of blue. We have some mild south winds and a ton of sun. That's time-lapse from Assisi Heights with our Lewis Auto camera. Right now, temperatures close to 70 across the map. Rochester 69, Austin 66, Mason City just shy of 70, and it's 68 in Winona. So incredibly warm for this time of the year. I don't have to go about saying that again and again, but it certainly, I think it bears mentioning because normally at this time of the year we would be in the mid-50s for a high temperature. Best case scenario, you might see 60s, but looking at mid-70s is much closer to record territory than the seasonal average once again. 69 the temperature right now, on our way to the mid-70s. The record today 79, not going to quite get there, but definitely warmer than or closer to that than the seasonal average. South wind 16 miles per hour. We'll see those winds with us the rest of the day. Breezy and warm. Tomorrow not quite as cold as warm, but not terribly chilly. It's when we get to Thursday and Friday we start struggling to reach the 50s. Behind tomorrow's rain chances with that front. Later this week it does get quite a bit chilly, much colder. We have the clouds moving through, a lot of sunshine behind that first wave of cloud cover. Warm air drawn in ahead of this upcoming storm system. We're going to get rain out of this upcoming system. We see the blue there. That's where there's going to be some snow. Colder side of the system, we have winter storm warnings and winter weather advisories all the way through the Black Hills with the possibility of up to 6 inches of snow. Not as much as the last snow event last week where they had several inches of snow, but still winter, a taste of winter there on the map for at least portions of the region. 69 in Rochester, 70 in Lincoln, International Falls 60 on the north side of the storm system. Look how much colder it is. 39 in Miles City and 46 in Minot. The cold front moves through. We're talking about the possibility of a 20 to 30 degree drop. Right now the forecast calls for about a 24 degree drop from today's high to Thursday's high temperature. That's quite a change in a couple days' time. Shower chances tomorrow increase, really ramping up just around midday hours, scattered showers, and then the most widespread activity about 3 or 4 o'clock until about 6 or 7 in the evening, and then things begin to become more widely scattered again. But the afternoon features some rumbles of thunder tomorrow and some very limited sun, but still some 60s tomorrow, just not the 70s we're enjoying today. Sunny skies, mild breeze. 74 the expected high, dropping back to the 50s tonight, and then recovering at least to the 60s tomorrow. Not a perfect day, not nearly as warm as this, but certainly still above average with some clouds and showers, but 60s for a Wednesday. Clouds at times today through tonight. On future track, a fairly quiet night, maybe a spotty shower well after midnight. Best chance of rain. The first batch of activity around the morning commute, the most widespread activity. See that coming in, some rumbles of thunder, but not necessarily a severe weather outlook situation for us. We could see enough instability for some small hail in some of those storms, but at this point, remote chance of anything severe out of that. And the showers really begin to wind down in the evening hours, and by first thing Thursday morning, clearing skies, a cool breeze, some sunshine, and temperatures again only around 50. More rain chances come in Sunday into Monday of next week as things remain slightly more active, but definitely more seasonable than the 70s and even 60s of recent days. 40s for highs, in fact, by the weekend. Recovering a bit next week, though, getting closer to the end of October. Still a couple of warmer than average days. 74 today, mostly sunny, breezy, and warm south winds 10 to 20 miles per hour. Tonight, 51, a light southeast breeze, partly cloudy. And tomorrow, mostly cloudy. Showers, perhaps a couple of afternoon thunderstorms. A high of 64, east winds on the light side. And a breezy, drier Thursday. Highs in the 40s to low 50s this weekend, and just slightly warmer maybe for a time next week, but a couple of rain chances toward the end of the month next week as well.
Yeah, this is the best day of the bunch for a while, isn't it?
Definitely, yeah.
Thank you, Ted.